How to activate your Santander Bank debit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Santander. Once you're on the website, log into your account using the credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section dedicated to debit cards. Look for an option like Activate Card or similar and follow the instructions provided. Likewise, another thing you can do is download and open the Santander mobile banking app on your smartphone. Then log into your account. Find the debit card activation feature under the banking services or card management section. Then go ahead and activate your card. Likewise, if you prefer not to use online methods, you can call Santander Bank's customer service for assistance with activation. They will guide you through the process over the phone. Make sure to have your card and any required personal identification information handy when you are ready to activate your card. This might include your card number, social security number, or auto account details for verification purposes. Well, this is how you can activate Santander Bank debit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.